Cryptopip. If you've not seen the channel before, we talk about all things crypto on this channel, covering the market, covering ways to stake your crypto, how to earn money on your crypto, how to keep safe in crypto. So if you see a bit of a gap in the videos, do apologize. I've had a bit of vacation time, battling a bit of flu and COVID, so on the mend to recovery now. So I thought I'd start to get some videos out there again, just so you hopefully thought I haven't disappeared. But yes, today we are just have a general look at the market and see what's going on. It's gone very bullish, which is nice to see. The momentum has slowed down a little bit, which is very good. The market cap at the moment is just under 1.5. Let's change this to dollars. So let's change the dollars. There we go. So Bitcoin is just sitting just under $48,000. It's gone up steadily over the last week or so. Ethereum the same. Cardano's had a big push. Binance Coin has had a big push. Solana's had a big push. So, at the moment, the market's looking good. If we look over at the chart here, I used to do a lot of forex trading. So obviously I'm not no expert, I'm not a financial advisor. So this is just my own personal opinions on things. But I've just drawn this up today on Bitcoin. And as we can see at the moment, it tapped the $50,000 mark. As soon as it did that, I believe people are going to start taking profits here, because there was a good level of resistance around the 50 to $51,000 mark. And I've earmarked here. We could go a bit conservative, but I've earmarked here at $43,000. If it does go all the way back down, this could be our next level of support here, which is a good support for Bitcoin. But if we can get past this $50,000 mark, I don't see any reason why we shouldn't see a good push straight up to 57,000, and then in this range, just here, this is where we might see some rejection. So how you keep yourself, how I keep myself aware with what Bitcoin is doing, is I don't sit here every day looking at crypto, but I do keep a steady eye, alerts on Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin goes through, if it hits this level, if it touches this level, if it moves 5%, 10% either way, then we go back on a chart and see what we're doing. So if it goes back up about $50,000, I will have my alert set all the way through, and it's going to take a good push for it to get through here, but it might be a good place if it does get there to start taking profits. It doesn't mean selling if you believe in a project, to start selling them all, and getting rid of the coins. But it could just be something where you sometimes I do it. I will take, for example, my profits that I've made on XRP. If it goes up to, Bitcoin goes to this level and I see the rejection, I'll go across, move those profits into stable coins, and then once we've seen some rejection, I'll monitor the charts a lot closely then, and once I'm ready to go back in, I'll go back in. But I've bagged the profits, make sure I've taken some along the way, which is good. If we pop over to the Twitter feed, so if we look at the Twitter here, as I've said, on Cointelegraph, someone's also mentioned that it could take something major for it to break a new all-time high, and I kind of completely agree with that. This is Dan McDermott from Chart Guys, and he's basically saying that he's anticipating that we're going to be looking for a lower high compared to an all-time high initially. he's going to watch for some short-term patterns to shift the lead to some weekly consolidation, which would be healthy. So as I said, I believe, you know, this could be some consolidating here, and then we might go, which is what it needs. You know, if we look at the weekly chart for Bitcoin, the weekly chart is looking good. It's not too far from the 20 period moving average. So we may see next week quite a bit of consolidation, and then who knows where we might go from there. Okay, next today we'll look at the top gainers for today. So as you can see, you know, some of these gainers here, this is a good little chart to show what's been moving today, what's the momentum behind it. ICP has, you know, moved up 94% today, and look at all these market caps, they're very low. Move, I think that's the football token, I believe, not too sure, but they've moved up 76% today. And sometimes I would use something like this to, I don't FOMO into things, but if we've got something that has got very low market cap here, which is 6, and it's gone up 94%, sitting at 0.04%, right, it might be something I would then have a look at. Wait for some consolidation, wait for some sell-off, and then maybe I can get involved. You know, let's go back here. We'll have a look at Pancake Swap. I know Pancake Swap are gonna, their NFT art collection. We all know how big Pancake Swap is. So if they, you know, once they dabble into this, what's the collection gonna be? And so there's been a lot of voting going on this, so I just found this a bit interesting. Here we go, some events that are coming up in the months of August/September. So you can see the Safe Moon wallet launch event is happening on the 28th, which is tomorrow. Carver Swap mainnet, it's a few days later. Trade Stars is another one. In the last month, that's moved up, you know, nearly 300%. Their mainnet is coming on the 31st, so there could be a good push here. And like I said, this is another crypto differ, very, very good, that I keep an eye on as well, just to see if there's any potential new coins or existing coins that have got anything big happening. Because, you know, some things where Prosper mobile app to be released, that could be a big thing. We've got Matrix IDO on Card Starter, that's on the 7th. So some of these are just set some alerts in the Google Calendar if I'm interested in any of these projects, and it keeps me well informed and up to date. So yeah, also we've got MetaMask. Okay, I'm from London, so I say MetaMask, but MetaMask is open to creating its own crypto token. So obviously, you know, everyone mainly has got a MetaMask wallet, which, you know, most of us, I use it. Got various wallets, hardware wallets, and so forth. But yeah, so there's a lot of use case with MetaMask, of course. And if they're going to launch their own token, I wonder what the use case is. You know, they've gone into it a bit here, and you know what, you know, I think if a MetaMask wallet does come out, then it will have a huge push. Yeah, it will create a lot of traction, a lot of volume, a lot of people will buy into it, and there potentially will be a humongous dump. So it could be worth looking out for. So I'll keep an eye on that, and if I hear anything more about that, I will let you know. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to go over a few things today, and you know, catch up on a bit of news. And you know, if you do like the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll try to keep more updates like this coming for you guys. Okay, thank you for watching.